So hi everyone. So continuing to our previous videos. So this session we will discuss about this MCP client. So how we can create this MCP clients using Python. We are going to see. In last videos we have seen that how we can create any MCP servers and how we can expose numerous tools and all. We have seen one weather tool which we have created, right? And using that stdio transport we have exposed and we were consuming. So now, and we were using cursor as a MCP client or agent, we can say. And using cursor we were able to we were able to register this MCP server, and we were able to call our weather MCP server, and we were able to get the data. So now today we will do the same thing, but we will write our own client in Python. So let's see how we can do it. Let me open that project which we did yesterday. I'm using cursor basically, so I will open in a cursor. Yeah. So see, this was our server which we created last time, weather MCP server, which gives us the weather forecast and weather alerts. So here you have seen, right, we have exposed these tools, get forecast and get alert. These two we have exposed earlier. Now, so, and we have seen also how we were calling from cursor, right? We have registered this MCP server in a in a in a cursor in file. If we go here, and I think preferences, yes, cursor settings, and there is MCP tools. So you can see we have earlier we have added here, right? This was the setting. So here you just see we were using stdio transport mechanism. Just see my previous videos. I have explained about what all protocols it supports. So stdio we have used. Later we will see SSE also, how we can run similar thing using SSE protocol also. So let's focus on the topic of this video, that how we can create this client. So for the sake of ease, I have already created here client. So you can see you need to just see async calls we need to make. So you need to just import async IO, and for to read anything from environment variable you need this. And obviously see you need to use some LLMs here, right, to integrate, because see here cursor already has this LLM, right? So when we add any MCP server in cursor, and cursor LLMs will be used to do further communication and further generate the and understands the intent and everything. So but for our client we need some generative AI. So for this I'm using Open AI. Okay, so I'm using GPT-4o model, which is quite good, and you can use Grok also. There is a, it is not bound hard bound that you can go with ChatGPT. You can use Grok or Llama or Mistral, anything which any generative AI, you can use it here. So for this video I am just using this OpenAI. So this is just, I'm loading the environments, and here I am getting this OpenAPI key which I have put it in the environment variable. I'll not show this environment variable. It's my key is mentioned here, so just assume that it is here and it is getting this key. Now this weather.json file, right, what same JSON file, right, what we were giving in the cursor, right, for cursor integration. So for this our client also this weather JSON is required. So you see this weather JSON, similar thing, right, a similar MCP server. Now we are giving this. So this is stdio. So this command will run, right, in standard output mechanism way, and it will run this MCP server, and whenever request comes it will just spawn this weather.py file using this command, and it will get the output. So this is standard input output way. So this is my weather JSON. So So it is getting, sorry, client.py. So it is getting this weather.json config file here, and then MCP client, right? It need to be right to read from this config file. So I'm just providing same config file which has the detail of this MCP server. Now I need to just instantiate this my chat OpenAI, and I am just providing the order. You can give whatever model, right? Mini is also there. You can give mini. Also, I have given this model GPT-4. So MCP agent now we need to create. So MCP agent, right? These all are things we need to pass when we are creating this MCP agents. LLM, right? Whatever LLM we have created, client, right? Which has the MCP server details, and then how many max steps we want. So I have given just 15 only, and memory enable, right? Inbuilt for just conversations only, right? Chat history and all. So if you want, right, memory enabled, so you can make it true. So MCP agent itself does this, right? Conversations, memory built in. It's a built-in. Now, so here in a loop we are doing this, so that we should see here in command line that interactive way. So like I am printing, and then if exit is being printed or quit, right, it will exit, and assistant will tell, right, it will return the answer. So, and then agent dot run, this is important. So agent dot run, right? So whatever, right, input you are giving user input and all, so agent will use that input, and internally agent has all LLMs, client, all MCP details, and LLM, everything agent has. So agent will run this input command, internally it does all those things, and it will then call internally everything, right? MCP server, from it will get the response, and it will print it here. So this is very simple way of creating this, and I've done here exception handling also. I try, and if any exception comes, it will be printing here, and finally block, I'm cleaning all those client sessions and all. So I hope this is very straightforward and easy way to understand this. So LangChain OpenAI I am using, just note this. If you have to use Grok, there is a LangChain underscore Grok is there. So LangChain has provided all those libraries. You can just use as per your need. So now we'll quickly jump to this. We'll quickly jump to this demo part. So UV. So now this chat is started now. So I need to ask, hey, please tell me about current weather at New York. Now let's see. It has gone to the assistants, and it is calling this agent run everything, and it is calling MCP server internally, and you can see now. So I got the response now. So assistance is response, current weather in New York City today, 76 winds, right? So this our client is working, MCP client, it is working. So last time we have seen, right, we have seen this MCP server similar response, right, from our this cursor. So fine guys, I hope you understood this very quick demo for this MCP clients. Later in next video you will see some integrations, real time kind of integrations, like Airbnb booking and all, right, and and some utility MCP servers, local utility MCP servers, which I will showcase you, like Excel related options, right? Suppose you want to create, right? You want to do some Excel related operations, right? So that Excel MCP server local, how you can add in your in cursor, and you can do that. And later we can just do a multi-agentic kind of thing where we can utilize both Excel, right, MCP server, and this Airbnb MCP servers, and we can club both of them, and we'll see some good, right, and useful demo. So so thank you for now, and next session we'll see you soon. Yeah, thank you.